Hey Desi's Chronicles, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some curry chicken and cabbage. I just got this curry chicken from the meat store. It looked like it was $10 no, what's the price? It wasn't no more than $20. Wait, is that the price? No more than $20. It's already seasoned. I'll show you guys when I put it in the pan. Here's the cabbage. I'm also going to put some bacon in my cabbage. I paid $4.12 for this one. And this one was $3.38. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And this will be my first time ever cooking cabbage, y'all. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're going to pour some chicken broth in the chicken. I did wind up putting me a chicken cube in it. And I also put a little bit of crushed red pepper on it. There's the chicken. See, I put the chicken cube, some crushed red peppers on both. I got 2 pans of the curry chicken. I'm just going to add some chicken broth. Not a lot, because remember I told you before, chicken makes its own water. So we basically going to do that and then stick it in the oven on, I'm going to put it on 400 for probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Just let it cook. I probably turn it down a little bit. Just let it start cooking so I can start the cabbage. So I covered the chicken with some foil. I already put one in. Now I'm going to put the other. I put some oil and water because I'm making baked macaroni and cheese. That pot back there is for my cabbage. I got my bacon that I'm going to put in my cabbage, running underwater because it was frozen. Okay, I got the cabbage in the pot. Instead of water, I use chicken broth. I put 2 cups of chicken broth in there. Now I'm going to put, I'm going to put some bacon in there. And then you just let it boil. Remember, this is my first time making cabbage. You cover it and you let it cook down. Okay, here it is. I added the bacon, some crushed red peppers, some complete. I added some black pepper, a little bit of garlic, and that's about it. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. And also, you'll see the bacon, and there's the water for the baked macaroni and cheese. So there's my macaroni. I'm gonna use my cheese dip, black pepper, and some adobo. I have sharp and mozzarella cheese. I put butter in the pan, so I'm gonna add the macaroni and cheese in. Here's the macaroni and cheese before the oven. Here's the corn on the cob. There's the cabbage and the bacon. Okay, so the cabbage is cooking down. They said it gotta cook down, so that's what it's doing. It's cooking down. I'm still waiting for the corn to boil, and I'm gonna check the chicken in a few minutes. There's my baked macaroni and cheese. Wait till I slice it. Let me see. Let me just put a little bit on the plate for y'all. Y'all can see that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna take the chicken out. Here's the first pan of the curry chicken with green peppers and onions in it. Here's the second pan of the curry chicken. Here's the cabbage coming along pretty good. There's my corn. I added some butter and some Goya salt. And here's the end result. There's the chicken, the jerk chicken, the baked macaroni and cheese, the cabbage with bacon, and corn on the cob. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.